Alright guys, so I came to Academy Sports out in Lubbock, Texas, and I was looking for something to catch catfish. You know, I got my rods and reels and hooks and everything, but I thought when I came here I wanted to do the $100 challenge, but I mean I was gonna do it, but I came across this, and it's a rod and reel combo, and it's got the box with supposedly everything you need, and it should be about 40 to 60 bucks. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab it, and we'll test it out at the little pond in my town. You can see this is catfish, catch more fish. We'll see about that. Alright guys, so here it is. I'm back home. Got a storm coming in, so I'll try and make this before the wind or the rain starts. But here's the sign: Shakespeare, catch more fish. This is how it, when you buy it, it'll be assembled, but I took it down to save some space here. Catch more fish. It's from Shakespeare, and these have this little bungee line in the middle. That way you don't end up losing the parts of your rod. Then here's the box. I'll open it in a minute. And the Shakespeare. I know these are just crappy reels, but I'm gonna make this video. Into this Shakespeare. Five 1:1 ratio. It'll take 12 pounds, 12-pound line, 280 yards, 14-pound line, 215, and 17-pound, 195 yards. I'm not exactly sure what line comes on here, but we'll see about that. It's strand, mono. Here we have the Shakespeare, brand new. Bungee rod tip holder. There you go. That's what it is, bungee. Alright. Probably once I take off this box here, then we'll be able to see the specs on the rod. Let me open up this box here. Just do this here. Rip that off. There you go. It's got the line capacity on there also. The ratio. Cancer warning. Yep. Alright, so here we have, that's cool. You could hold everything together right there with the rod. Let's see what it comes with. It comes with gulp, 1-inch catfish, blood chunks, gulp, blood chunks, 12 count. Rig as you would live bait. Alright. This plastic garbage. The inserts for the tackle box. More inserts. Have here some hooks. These look like 3/0, but I don't know. Got some beads, some treble hooks. I'm not really a big fan of treble hooks. They do a lot of damage to the fish. I don't care for them much. Come with these weights. Come with 2 of these. This might be, I want to say 2 ounce, but we'll get into that later. Got some more hooks here. This is come with the leader already. That's nice. Some little small weights, some swivels, little bobber, stinger, small stinger. And here you go. It comes with the little instructions here. Says all the contents of it right there: J hooks, treble hooks, barrel swivels, X sinker, split shots, bobber, stinger, beads. We've got some fisherman knots here. Got the normal improved clinch. That's what I usually use, is the improved clinch knot for a lot of things. Polymer knot. That's probably what I'll start doing, the polymer knot. I've been looking into it, and it's way much easier than buying those pre-made rigs and all that. So, alright, got Carolina rig. Then here's got the, if you want to make a floating rig. Okay, the backside is just different language, so there you guys have it. Right now I'm gonna set up. I probably won't be able to go fishing today, but I'll set something up to go probably tomorrow. Go to the small little lake here in my town, and well, pond actually. Go to the pond and see what I can get done. But there it is. We'll check it out tomorrow and see what it does. Alright guys, before I throw out my fishing video, before I put it out, I'm gonna let you guys see here. This is a 7-foot medium action 10 to 25 pound line. I had to look it up, but this comes with strand 14 pound mono. So there you guys have it. 7-foot medium action 14 pound mono. Alright guys, so I'm here at the pond. You can see it's not too big, but we'll make it work. And here's our rig. It's gonna be it right there. It's pretty packed, so I found myself a little spot here. It's got a hole there to put my rod in there, so we'll go ahead and do that. I usually like fishing on that side over there, but it's kind of full right now, and I don't want to get caught up on anybody's line. So, all right, guys, let's get this going. All right, guys, I'm out here once again. Yesterday I was out here for 2 hours and I didn't catch nothing. So here we are again. This time we're on the other side. Yesterday I was right about on that side where the tower's at. So today I'm on the opposite side, and it's gonna be the rig I'm gonna be using. And you can see I got that power bait on there with the, I believe it's a 2-ounce egg. So let's see how that goes. Alright guys, so it's been a couple hours now, and as you can see there's not even a bite mark on this bait. So final verdict is piece of crap. Alright guys, so I'm back home, and I spent 3 hours at the pond today, and no, not even a bite on that gulp bait. So I do not recommend it whatsoever. The kit, however, it's a good kit. If you want to start catfishing, you know, you don't want to put that much time and money into it. That's a good starter kit. Comes with most of what you need. So to that kit I would add You know, if you want to get some leader line, get yourself a pack of like leader line. 20, 25 pounds would be good. I use 30 for, you know, for catfishing. So leader line and bait. What I've seen that's recommended a lot is chicken livers. So next time I'll probably do chicken livers, and also I'll take out some worms from my worm bucket. And if you guys haven't seen that video, watch that video. Make your own worms. It's pretty cheap. So yeah, next video will probably take out some chicken livers and some worms. But the chicken livers, I'll make a magic potion with them chicken livers. I've been watching some videos on you know, how to attract more fish. So I'll take out that rod and reel combo from Shakespeare, but I'll switch out the bait and we'll see how that goes. So remember to like and subscribe, support my channel please guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace.